maintain, and here I am starting from the second term portions. So already you have studied about factors and multiples in your lower classes. So again you want to study, that is you need these all definitions or sums of factors and multiples you should need for higher classes also. So the chapter name is playing with the numbers. Have you studied about factors and multiples? What you are remembering about that? Do you know how to find the factors and multiples? I will say one example. When you are giving one number 3, okay, 3 when you multiply with the 2 or more numbers, okay, when you are giving one number 3, when you multiply that number with 2 or more numbers, you will get one product, isn't it? When you are giving one number 3, if you multiply that number with 2 or more numbers, here I am multiplying 3 with 5. So here I multiply 3 by 5. So what you will get the answer? The product is 15. So 15 when you will get the product, we are saying it as the multiple. So which one will be the factor? Which numbers you are multiplying, that numbers we are calling it as the factors. So which are the factors? You can say 5 is a factor and 3 is a factor. So what is meant by multiples? The product of 2 or more numbers is said to be a multiple of each of those numbers. When you are given one number, if you are taking the product of that number with the 2 or more numbers, so that product we will say multiple, and which numbers you are multiplying, that each number you should call it as factor. Okay, so how you can say 15 is a multiple of 3, or you can say 15 is a multiple of 5. So how you will get 15 when you multiply 5 by 3? So you can say 15 is the multiple of 5, 15 is the multiple of 3. Same way you can see 5 and 3 when you are multiplying, you will get the product 15. So which numbers you are multiplying, that each number you should call it as factor. So you can say 5 is the factor of 15. 3 is the factor of 15. Understood? So 15 is the multiple, 5 and 3 are the factors. So like this, how many sums is there that you should do? First question, write all the factors. See here, the given question, you should write all the factors of the following numbers. They will give some numbers. For that each number, you should find the factors of that. Okay. So the first question, which number they given? 24. What you should find? You should find the factors of 24. What is meant by factor? How you will get this product? By multiplying 2 or more numbers. By multiplying some numbers, you will get 24. So which numbers when you multiply, you will get this product? So that each number we will call it as factors. So which two numbers will be the factors of 24? First, how you can write 24? 24 ones are 24. Next, 2, 12. 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. Any other? 3 8s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Any answer you will get? Only this much is there. So what you will get? 24. How you will get this product 24? 24 when you multiply with 1, you will get 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So which are the factors of 24? 1 is the factor. 24. 12 is the factor. 2 is the factor. 8 is the factor. 3 is the factor, 4 is the factor, 6 is the factor. So all these factors you should write down. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and last one 24. Any order you can write. You don't want to write in ascending order. Okay. That will be good. If you are writing in ascending order, it will be good too. If you are writing in ascending order, that will be good. Otherwise, that is not important. Order is not important to write all the factors. So, what is meant by factors of 24? How you will get? How you will get this 24? By multiplying numbers. Which numbers when you multiply you will get 24. That each number is the factor. Like this, for other numbers also you should find the factors. Second question. See what is the second question they given. The number is 15. So 15. How you will get 15? 1 multiplied by 15. And then 3 multiplied by 5. Any answer? Only this much is there. So 15, how you can write? 1 multiplied by 15, 3 multiplied by 5. So which are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. When you are writing in ascending order, it will be good to say. So that's why I am writing like that. It's not important. You can write like 1, 5, 15, 8. Like that also you can write. Order is not important. So see here, 3 questions is the given numbers are 21, 27, 20. For these 3 numbers also you should write the factors. First we will start from 21. 21 how you can write? 1 multiplied by 21 and then 3 multiplied by 7. Any more is there? Only this much is there. So which are the factors of 21? Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. Next, fourth question, 27. So 27, how you can write? 27, 1 multiplied by 27, 3 multiplied by 9. Any more? So this much is there. So how you can write? Factors of 27 are factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. Last question. 20. How you can write 20? 1 multiplied by 20. 2 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 5. Any more? Only this much is there. So which are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Like this, whenever you are getting one number, that that number is factors, you should find out. Next, you should find the multiples. See here, next question. Write 5 multiples of numbers. So the first question, what is that? First 5 multiples of 5. So what are the multiples? How to find the multiple of 5? So you know that how to find the multiple? By multiplying 5 with any number, you will get some products. So that each product you should call it as multiple. So when you are giving 5 when you are multiplying by 1, you will get 5. So given number, when you multiply with each number, you will get one product. That product is the multiple. So 5 ones are 5. Next one, 5 when you multiply with the 2 product, you will get 10. So 10 is a multiple. Next one, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Total how many multiples you need? You need only first 5 multiples. You need only first 5 multiples. See? 5 multiples we brought here. So here, which are the first 5 multiples of 5? That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So how to find the first 5 multiple? By multiplying that number with the 1, 2, 3, you will get multiples. Okay. Next one. Second question. Which number they given? 8. 8. How you will, for 8, how you will find the multiple? By multiplying 8 with each number, you will get one product. That product is the multiple. First 5 multiples only you need. So what is that? 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Like this you should do. You should find the first 5 multiples of 9. Okay. Have you studied about prime numbers, children? If you forgot that, I will again say the explanation. When you can say a number, a prime number, when you are giving one number, first you should find the factors of that. Okay, when you are giving one number, you should find the factors of that. For that number, the only factors are 1 and the number itself. So, the only factors of that number, if the only factors of the number is 1 and the number itself, then we can say that number we are calling it as the prime number. So what is meant by prime number? When you are giving one number, first you find the factors. If only factors are 1 and the number itself, then we can say the number prime number. For example, see here, I will show one example. I will take 2. Which are the factors of 2? 2 you can write it as multiple of 2 and 1. Isn't it? 2 you can write it as the multiple of 2 and 1. So which are the factors of 2? Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So that means when you're giving one number, you should see the only factors are 1 and that number itself. See here the 1 and the number itself. That means 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Another example, 3. First you should find the factors. 3, how you can write? 3 multiplied by 1. So which are the factors of 3? 1 and that number itself. 1 and 3. The only factors of 3 are 1 and 3. If you are getting more than 2 factors, that means that number will not be a prime number. See here for number 3, only factors are 1 and 3. So 3 is a prime number. What about 4? First find the factors. 1 4s are 4. Another way you can write 2 2s are 4. So the factors of 4, which are they? Factors of 4, that is 1 2 4. So you are getting the factors more than 2, isn't it? The total 3 factors are there. If you are getting more than 2 factors, that means this one 4 is not a prime number. Which numbers are not prime? For that numbers we will say one name. What is that? Composite numbers. So what is known by composite numbers? Some numbers which will not be a prime number. So numbers which are not prime, that is called a composite numbers. Other definition, how you can say? Its factors will be more than 2. It having more than 2 factors. Then we can say the number is composite. Can you give 2 more examples? See here, you know 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, but 4 is a composite number. What about 5? 5 is a prime number, the only factors are 1 and 5. So 5 you can't take. 6, because 6 have more than 2 factors. 1, 6, 2, 3. These are all factors of 6. 7 is a prime number. 8, composite number. 9 is a composite number. What is the reason? 9 you can write it as 1 9s and 3 3s. That means it have more than 2 factors. That means 9 is a composite number. 10, composite number. 11, prime number. 12 is a composite number. 13, that is a prime number. 14, composite number. 15, composite number. 16, composite number. Like this you can find the composite numbers. Whenever you are getting the question, you should find the factors. If the factors is 1 and the number itself, that is a prime number. If it is having more than 2 factors, that is a composite number. Understood, children? So the remaining sums I will give as homework. Do that homework. Send through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.